How you doing? Dave Rodnelli with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm going to take you through the brand new Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Starting in the back, this has the twin V8 300 Dorados, of course joystick controlled. In the aft, you've got a big live hole here in the right place for when you're fishing. Here in the aft, you do have a nice area of storage for your 5-gallon bucket. Of course, you got your transom fold-out seat. And back here, you've got another nice seat facing aft, as well as a prep station and a second live well underneath the seat in here. Both port and starboard, of course, you've got your big fish boxes, both with macerators. Of course, they are all insulated. You've got your dive door. Naturally, a swim ladder that goes over. This has the new sea gray interior, which is cool touch, so it doesn't get hot, and it's very easy to keep clean. Here at the helm, you see you've got two big 16 Simrad Navionics screens. Those are going to be GPS, chop plotter, fish finder. Really nicely appointed in the acrylic dash. Digital throttle controls, joystick, which of course has your skyhook and autopilot built in. We'll come up here on the starboard side. Really nice. They have the batteries and key ignitions all right here. Very accessible. And then you do have on this boat your optional trolling seats, both port and starboard. Inside the head here, you'll see it's got a vacuum flush toilet, freshwater sink, and you'll notice that your dive ladder is there for your dive door as well. As we move forward to the boat, the bow area, really nice in this 33 Outrage. You can see you've got a nice big seat here. This does have folding armrest. And then of course underneath here, you do have a lock and you've got a ton of storage. You'll see two 5-gallon buckets, fish, you can store your fishing rods, and your table stores under here as well. Forward, we've got a concealed anchor locker here. And of course inside of there is your automatic anchor windlass with your controls. And there are all covers for these seats, so you don't have to worry about them getting destroyed. So again, this is the brand new 330 Boston Whaler Outrage. For more information, give me a call, 401-569-3874, or visit us at marinemax.com. Thanks again.